friends, and I welcome to all of you in this new video. So friends, today I am going to explain ArtiShoppers.com reviews. So friends, we will understand the legitimacy of this website. Friends, if you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question: should I buy from it or not? Friends, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. So friends, as you can see, when you will put artishoppers.com on Google, it will get redirected to Sasta Wala Bazaar, which is one suspicious thing about this website. Each time whenever you try to put artishoppers.com, you are going to get redirect. Now this is one suspicious thing. If you look at the menu, it is selling saris, Muslim clothing, kids wear, men's wear, top, handbags. If you want to check the prices are extremely cost effective. They are 55% off offers on the clothings. These are hot arrivals. If you click on to men's wear, for example, you can see that menswear has prices like it's only for 299 rupees, and otherwise its original price was 999. Now the costs are too good to be true. Now if you want to check out the payment method, that what type of payment method they are following, you can just click on one product, and then you can just find out that what is the payment method. For example, we clicked on to this product. Now we will see what is the payment method. So you just need to scroll down and let's find out whether they have any payment method. So over here, basically, they have not mentioned any payment method. If you add to the cart, for example, you added it to the cart, here you will scroll down and then you can just look for the payment method. So friends, checking out, it's so much time. The payment method is not visible right now. So website content quality is very low. Now let's check about the shipping policy. What is the shipping policy? So let's click onto the information side and let's click onto the shipping policy. So shipping policy is basically, just see what they have to give about the shipping policy. See, when we click onto the shipping policy, we are not getting any information down there. Now let's move further and let's check out those important points. But before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit one. So friends, basically, if you want to see the HTTPS, see, it's a HTTP protocol detected. And friends, basically, if you want to know the domain age of the Sasta Wala Bazaar, or you would say artishoppers.com on the WHOIS, basically this is the site where you can check the domain age. You will get to know about the the website when it was registered, and this tells lot about it, and it says that it was registered on 5th October 2020. Now if you want to know the about us page, they do not have any about us page. Everything is missing. Business owner name is missing. Prices are too good to be true, and the contact address is just not feasible much. We can just uh, click on the contact us page, and they do not have any of their own email ID. Every information is missing. If you talk about the social media presence, let's see, is there any social media presence? So we will just scroll the page and see if there is any social media presence. So friends, basically I cannot find any social media presence. They have not given any shipping information, as I already told you earlier. Only they have given that they give free shipping all over India. And if you talk about the support system, they say there is 24/7 support by the email, and they have not mentioned any email ID, which is a very negative sign. If you talk about return policy, they have 30 days to return. Friends, if you have any views regarding the refund or the return of the product, you can mention in the comment box. If you talk about the customer reviews are missing. And again, surely the website content quality is very much low. The content is plagiarized, it is duplicated, the images are duplicated, product specification is not there, information is not there. So on the basis of all the checkpoints, friends, I would claim this website surely a scam. So if you are not getting much information about any particular site, it is surely a suspicious one, and if it's getting redirected to some other site, it's a suspicious one. So friends, do not invest any money of yours on this website. What do you feel about this website, and what viewpoints and experiences you have, mentioned in the comment section. Friends, you can also get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. So friends, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Friends, be informed and be safe.